Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our ice cream beauty bag. I cannot tell you for certain which one this is. I do believe it is the August bag, but I do know that I received a message that my lost bag is being resent to me. So nonetheless, we will be unbagging our ice cream beauty bag, hopefully for the month of August. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with the ice cream beauty bag, I'll leave all the details down below, but I want to let you know that this is a woman-owned business. The ice cream beauty bag is $12.50, and with that, you receive between 3 and 5 full-size beauty products. 99% of the time it is a makeup item, okay? So I do want to let you know though, you are responsible for shipping, okay? And it's usually somewhere between $3 and $4. All right, so we're going to jump right in right now. This is one of the boxes or bags in this case that includes a description card. However, this one is rather small because it is the beauty bag. And okay, it says this is the August beauty bag. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and jump in. So the first item that we have is by Base Blue. It's in bubble wrap, and then it's sealed inside of shrink wrap. I have taken it out of the shrink wrap, and oh my goodness, this is beautiful. This is what the outer packaging looks like. And it says, this is the Four Seasons Face Color Spring Edition Powdered Blush. All right, it is a 7.5 gram size. It has a 12-month shelf life. And in addition to that, oh, I love when they do this. It does have an actual expiration date on it, and that one is March the 29th, 2026. 2026, okay? We don't have quite a year for this, but we do have it, and this is a PETA approved product. So when we open it up, oh, it's magnetic. Okay, so we just lift the top off. There's no mirror, but look how beautiful that is. That is just absolutely beautiful. I was going to say I would give it away, but I've already opened it. I've taken it out of the shrink wrap and even opened up the top so that you could see it. But nonetheless, we'll see at the end, because y'all know we swatch at the end, right? But at the end, we'll give it a swatch so we can see exactly what it looks like. Okay, and let me just pause for PSA right quick. I do want to say thank you so very much for bearing with me again with another video with this mask on. My skin is so much better, but I'm not ready. For me, I am just not ready yet to take the mask off to be on camera, but I definitely want to make sure that you get your items on time. You definitely know what's coming as soon as I get it. All right, so the next item that we have is another palette, and this one is the Summer Vibes by Trend Beauty. Okay, and this one is a 10.4 gram size, and it has a 24-month shelf life, and it is a cruelty-free product. Of course, this is what the outer packaging looks like, and the inside packaging looks exactly the same. And it does come with a mirror, and there are 8 beautiful shades that are in here. These actually have a name for them, okay? And I love the flowers that are on here. They are beautiful. So this is what the inside looks like. All right, and it's not quite the full size of the packaging. It does have a framed in look. Okay, these are beautiful. This one, the name is Bali. This is Sunset. This is Hibiscus. This one is Mai Tai. This one is Sunburn. This is Breezy, Peachy, and Sunrise. Okay, now the manufacturer suggested retail price for this palette is $10. This is beautiful for $10. It's absolutely beautiful for $10, and I'm excited to swatch it for you, and that time is coming soon. But we do have one more product, and this one is by Beauty Creations, and this is a collab. I apologize, you know, you can't really see the label too well because of the packaging, but it says this is a collaboration between Beauty Creations and Rosie McMichael. Now, it says this is a OMG. This is a liquid chrome trio. Now, we've been getting chrome, duochrome, multi-chromes a lot lately. This one is a cruelty-free product. It has a 9-month shelf life. So when you open it, you make sure you are ready to use it, okay? Now, this, of course, is what the outer packaging looks like. This is what the inside packaging looks like. And this is magnetic as well. So you lift it from the bottom, and this is gorgeous packaging as well. But this is what it looks like. Now, I don't know. We might swatch them all. We may just swatch one of them. But they do have names. This is N's Fave. This one is Unexpected. And the last one is Wind. Now, I do have a similar duochrome like this, so that one I may not open, but this purple one in the middle is calling me. Okay, so what I think I will do is we'll swatch 2 of them. How about that? Now guess what, we're at that time so we can go ahead and open and swatch. Okay, we're going to swatch the blush. Woo! Of course, it is buildable. All right, and then we swatched our Summer Vibes. This is Bali. This one is Sunburn, and this one is Hibiscus. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And last but not least, here we go. Woohoo! That's gorgeous. All right, this one, can you see it? This one is N's Faves. That's what this one is. And then we're going to go ahead and swatch Unexpected next. Oh my goodness, would you look at that? Can you see that? That is beautiful. Woo! Okay. Okay. I am so here for it. By the way, did I let you know that the price on this trio was $26? If I didn't, my apologies, but there you have it. That's the manufacturer suggested retail price for that one. Okay, and I would love to ask you, what are your thoughts? The blush and 2 out of 3 of the, I'm tempted to go ahead and swatch the 3rd one, really. Let's go ahead and see. Look at that one. All right, that's gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. This is a beautiful trio. Absolutely beautiful trio. And as much as I liked the duochrome that we received, this one feels a little bit more grown up. The other one was a teddy bear, and not any issue with the product itself. It's just, I'm saying this one looks a little bit more grown up. You know, more of an adult version. Okay, so let me know your thoughts. Tell me, have you gotten your bag yet? I did not choose anything. This is what was sent to me. I would like to say I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged our ice cream beauty bag for the month of August. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that we received. All right. Now, I also want to tell you once again, thank you so much for bearing with me and this mask. I really do appreciate it. Okay. Now, make sure you like, give it a thumbs up, comment, let me know your thoughts about the products, about the price point, about the ice cream beauty bag itself. Let me know your thoughts and your opinions on those down below. And make sure you subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And guess what? It's easy on the pocket because it is free. Now, share this video. Show them these beautiful grown-up looking duochromes, okay? And then, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.